Bell & Ross has built its reputation on one unmistakable design: the square case with a round dial inspired by cockpit instruments. It's bold, it's functional, and it's instantly recognizable. And now, that same spirit of aviation is being taken one step further with their latest creation, the Bell & Ross BR-03 GMT Compass, a watch designed not just for pilots, but for anyone with a sense of direction and adventure. Let's start with the case. This new GMT compass is built around the familiar 42mm BR-03 format, crafted in stainless steel with Bell & Ross's signature four-corner screws. It's slightly thicker than the standard GMT at 12.3mm, giving room for a new bidirectional rotating bezel. Anodized in blue and black aluminum with a 24-hour scale. Blue for daytime, black for night. A luminous pip marks the 12 o'clock position, and the finishing is top-notch. Brushed surfaces with polished bevels that catch the light beautifully. On the dial, things get interesting. You've got your standard hour and minute hands, both black, with crisp white superluminova tips. A red and white open-worked hand tracks a second time zone on the 24-hour bezel, perfect for travelers. And the seconds hand features a subtle blue tip for contrast. It's a busy dial, yes, but one that's thoughtfully organized. This is an instrument first, a fashion statement second. At night, everything glows in vivid green. Hour, minute, GMT hand, and that tiny luminous pip. There's also a discrete date window at 4:30, color matched to the dial to keep the symmetry clean. Now here's the real twist. The GMT hand doubles as a compass hand. The flange around the dial features the cardinal points, letting you orient yourself using the position of the sun. Here's how it works. Lay the watch flat, set the GMT hand to solar time, then point the red hand toward the sun. The scale on the dial tells you exactly which direction you're facing. It's clever, mechanical navigation, no GPS required. Inside beats the Bell & Ross caliber BRCAL.303, based on the tried-and-true Celita SW330-2. Automatic, 4 Hz frequency, and a 42-hour power reserve, reliable and easy to service. It's sealed behind a solid caseback, rated to 100 meters of water resistance. The BR-03 GMT compass comes with 2 straps, a black rubber strap for everyday wear and a black synthetic fabric strap for field use. Limited to just 500 pieces, this one retails for €4,900. It's not a watch for everyone, but for those who love aviation design, tool watch functionality, and that classic Bell & Ross aesthetic, this one checks all the boxes. So, what do you think? Is this the most practical Bell & Ross yet, or just another square legend in the cockpit? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more watch reviews every week.